Amani. So the world, so the world.
Guys, how are you? Wani salame kuligin.
One kakad. I think you will all kakaliga. The one and only Matano Akim.
Big up.
Nika. I'm Kanano Solan. I'm on a big uno.
Alhamdulillah, thank you guys so much for making me be the first one out of the 50. Super excited. Thank you guys.
All pleasure on us. I'm like a pleasure. What the heck? I'm going to listen. I'm going to listen.
Minnesota, USA. Yes, represent.
Minnesota. I do kill them. I do kill them. Even Minneapolis.
هذا لو سوغوري وحأركي مينيسوتا إنك كشدنتها أو بزنس ياشي وقتك أنا بورصتي إذا سوقاتي وسوغوري.
مركز الرايت يوم police brutality يلا كلته.
ها lock down أو عادي but it's okay stay productive you know keep on moving.
That's amazing والله كل إن برنامج كده وحنوفرني والله الله يقنع ستة ملك استشوفت يا هيدا إنه فرصة هلان أو huge platform أنا بقول سؤالها سودي يعني لكن وحرر بركة هراء. بلدتك إسبر أماني وايو كومنتيدن وين هذا هيك بيننا قرصة إيش كومنتيدن هذا وكا
هذه كلمات دينا عكلا كيف ها who is Amani Amani وحواي first of all أنا original I represent Europe كي ماذا ران هولنا هاي so my people are definitely Europe Amani I live in Minnesota and I own a small business here in Minnesota, and originally I have a bachelor's in supply chain logistics. So my background in logistics.
Okay.
I've been in the industry about 10 years.
MashaAllah.
So I started off and right away I worked for big companies like Boeing, I worked for a lot of logistics company. مركا دمبي مركا عندي سفي عن أوبرتي industry جا وحنا هاي I'm not gonna مش قاني يوسيدو قفك لنولش يسي dream كيسة أسميه. I have to follow my own dream. Yes. Yeah.
And that's what this program will be of. يعني إن وحرمينا ضدك اللي رجليو يعني everybody can make it as long as you work hard for it. Okay.
Yes. والله.
And حدنا مركا محاقبتها.
So we own a company called Malao Logistics.
Yeah.
Malao Logistics وحواي a brokerage company. Broker كنا هاي all the trucking that contract ka. So role كنا وحواي in a negotiation لسمينا company عشوا وين أو contract كسوق قادنا contract كمركا كسوق قادنا وحاسينا أمدا دتك أو truck driver ياشا. And mostly America وحب the truck drivers. So it's a good industry to be in and أنا نعاونه ويلشينا أو نقولنا voice.
تصان كهله ويلشينا ودرايفر يلا حبلينا يجا كونتراكت كسان كريه.
هذا أنا مكوري كرنا موقتاي. مكوري كرنا.
Girl power, yeah.
So we have to, yeah. So I think as of now, I am the only woman or brokerage company in the whole United States or Somalia. So super excited to be there. And وحربنا إن شاء الله سوينا international نقلنا أو transportation international نقلنا لكن وليشنا الصومالي لنا نقلنا عد because a lot of them وحد عضو وليشنا قالوا وشقيان أفكي ما يقانان and loaded في عن ملسيو and وح وبحنا لسيادات كودي سيان مكتة قف كسدت كيسو وشقيا مركا yeah, so I was actually a manager at a very good company لعك في عنا هيستي وحكنولوش يد وح مكان مخنين. One day I went to the office وحام كده I quit.
It's simple.
Simple as that.
That's amazing والله. إمسا and تراكيا ما أنت مركا ضدك رير يوروب يعني قرنا صار شيء مريكان كرجع بدل أنتوا حاجة شقستان تراكيا هذا. معني لود بيسوق هذا لود كنات destination كله جوي هذا جي أي جي يعني. إذا كنا مركا وحي أي قاضي وي واحد كونتراكت هذا سيسا.
Yes, أنا كونتراكت ياشي أوصو قادنا أو كقادي لهن and then because أنا وحنا first of all we are Muslim right وديني دقنا لنا هاي so أنا ويلشاني إذا كبنا آدم كأمة I'm not going to take lacagtooda ma ka qaadanayo xaqooda wax iyaga u shaqeeyaan moogtahay marka anaga as a Somali maadaam nahay oo wiilasha Soomaalida u shaqeynayno well we give them the best deals and the best or best lanes or America ka socdo.
That's amazing والله imisa Somali adu kaliya baad dhanka logistic haysta laakiin truck driver lama tirin karo inta yihiin maanta ama
oh my god we at least 4,000 truckers in the US yeah worldwide
kuwa xagee ka shaqeeyaan marka state waa dalkoo dhan
dalka dana sameena so waxa sameena aniga brokerage and then I have gabdo oo ii sameeyo dispatchka so we connect them so aniga all my focus ani amani ahaan waxa sameeyaa maanta dan waxa ku jira meetings conference negotiate contracts and then markaan soo qaado contract gabdhahiga u dhiiba iyaga marka maalmulo oo dadka wiilasha siiyo and make sure they keep on track right now we have a couple of lanes but like in coronavirus aan ugu dhacay marka we just readjusting hadda alhamdulillah
su'aal kale waan rabay inaan ku weydiin amana waxa weeye hablaha hadda ku daawanaya iyo kuwa gadaalba ka daawan doona maxaad kula encourage sameyn lahayd oo encourage sameyn lahayd ama ilaa anigu point-ka ka rabaan waxa weeye in dhalinyaradiina ay nagu daydaan dadkana soo bandhigi doono weekend
right I'm a big supporter to gabdhahayga and aniga hadda maanta oo gabar ahay oo waxaan ku jiraa industry oo niman ah so there is ha umalenin adunkan inadihi karin ma samayn kari always wake up to follow your dream aniga maanta I'm following my dream every morning markaan soo kaco waxa ku soo kaca qosol iyo farxad waxaan I'm fighting for something oo aniga iska leeyahay oo hadhowtii dadkaygii iyo familkaygii iyo ummadda Soomaaliyeed ku caawin karo gabdho waxaan dhihi lahaa if you have a dream and you are scared or days I don't know I don't have the money I don't have the skill set ma aqaaninan barashadii ma ohayo ama instead of following DJ Zubair hada DJ Zubair adiga wax you have a dream I have a dream I cannot follow your dream
sure
adiga jidka ku socotid iyo ani jidka aniga lagu talagalay isku mid maaha so ma dhihi karo oh DJ Zubair wuxuu noqday DJ anina waan noqonayaa moogtahay so go back to yourself
link
everybody waxa loo qoray adduunkan and everybody is good at waxa iyaga ku focus gareeyaan so go back isku soo noqo find out what's your passion waxa jeceshahay isweydii marka isweydiisid just get up and do it may noqoto just finding out about that industry may noqoto just getting knowledge start somewhere it doesn't mean maanta aan jeclaaday maanta bilaabaya mogtahay laakiin wax take notes ama knowledge ka soo baro ama qof oo industrygas ku jiro soo raadi oo la baro laakiin hadihin hebelo waa bilaabay anina waan bilaabaya that's the only thing ani gabdhahayga ku dhihi lahaa is follow your dream don't follow somebody else's dream
su'aasha kale waxaan arkaa hablo badan oo xaggan ganacsi masha Allah walaashay waxa ku jirta isku filan oo Toronto
yes my sister
Naciimo fashion baa ku jirta Naciimo hablo badan oo soo waan arkaa تكلامنا ربنا كويدينا what is your goal 5 years from now or 10 years from now
my goal is to eventually own the whole logistics industry for the US and then eventually brought in Somalia and America connection key so dhexgeliyo and I would love to support a lot of foundations in our sponsor u noqdo I am big about little girls and giving them the dream that they want. My goal is to be Mother Teresa for all the orphanage out there. So I have a lot of plans. So I can't wait, guys.
Anigoo ku hadlaya magaca Zubair Foundation waan kaaga mahadcelinaa walaalo contribution kaasna say sharaf bay noo tahay anaka thank you walaalo
as always we will continue to do that as we start to grow my goal is definitely to support the Zubair Foundation inshallah
waxaan rabay dhammaantiinba amaani waa kan Instagram-keeda siiba reer Maraykanka inta contractor meel kale ay ka raadin laheen walaasheen support your own amaani
and if you have any questions of of business and how do I start where do I begin xagee ka bilaaba please don't hesitate in message iso dirtiin I will gladly able to help inshallah
thank you you su'aashii kale aan rabayna message kaba rabtayna uga tagtid dadka oo hadda deeskaas ku bartay oo wajina ka helay
oh waxaan dhihi lahaa there's more to come stay tuned Let's support each other as a community. gacanta aan isqabsano. And we have a lot of talent qabna or mashallah international nahay. I don't believe there's any other culture or other country or so much knowledge and so much in so many industries. Anaga, we are big risk takers. Let's move forward. Wadankena wax u qabano. Let's go back home. Let's take our dream with us and wadankena angeno. Because at the end of the day, mesh kasta joogtid, that's not your country and you will never be the number one. Lakin wadankaaga waxa ka noqon kartaa aan gacanta qabsano.
What a beautiful, beautiful message. Hadda pressure-ka waxa saartay. Inta ka dambayso. That was an amazing message, Olala. We love you, Amani, and we
thank you guys so much for my DJ Zubeda, what I want to say to you is continue to push for that, because I think you're a big voice at Nota High, and we look up to you. I'm definitely #1 fan, and thank you so much for giving us the opportunity Martin Sogal no or umudena Somali inshallah skukeno.
Inshallah. We love Amani.
Amani,
Guys, thank you guys.
Thank you.
I will be watching.
Wow.